that with a hand mixer for a minute. So that was my corn syrup. I'm going to put in my egg whites and my sugar and my cream of tartar. I'm going to wait till a little bit later for the almond extract. I'm going to give this just a little mix to get the sugar off the bottom of the bowl. Then I'm going to start to beat this with the electric hand mixer for 1 minute. So I just beat it for 1 minute, and now I'm going to put it on the boiling water. Make sure your bowl doesn't touch the water. And beat it for 7 minutes. So this is after 1 minute. This is after 2 minutes. This is after 3 minutes. After 4 minutes, while I'm moving the beater, I can see the bottom of the bowl. This is 5 minutes. And here's 6 minutes. Watch out for your cord. I'm kind of leaning against it. You don't want that cord to get into your flame under your pan. This is 7 minutes. See how gorgeous that is? I'm going to add my almond extract. Whoop, it evaporated. I just added a little better than a half a teaspoon of almond extract. Now we're going to go ahead and ice our cake.